Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss some of the important rules which has to be followed while giving any variable name. Okay, so first of all the major rule is variable name should always start with letters or underscore. Okay, like you can give a equal to 10. All right, you will be getting easily the result. I am writing here a, I will be getting 10, and you can start with underscore also, like here I am writing py equal to 10, and here if we write py we will be getting the value. But suppose by mistake you are starting your variable name with one number, okay, 1h, okay, then see you will be getting error. Okay, so remember this variable name always starts with either letter, that is English alphabet letters, or underscore, right? This is the rule number one. Next rule, which is very important, the variable names can never start with numbers, as I have shown you. Variable names only contain alphanumeric characters, that is capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, 0 to 9 values, and the underscore, nothing else. Okay, you cannot define like this ws at the rate equal to 10. If you run, you will be getting error. Okay, you are writing ws dollar symbol, you will be getting error. Okay, so remember this rule also. And in Python, the variable names are obviously case sensitive. I am writing age equal to 10, right? And then here I am writing age, I will be getting error because this age is not defined. This and this are different because this in small letter, this is in capital letter. Like it is not like Oracle SQL. Okay, like in Oracle SQL, like database language, this is not case sensitive, but here case sensitivity has to be followed. Okay, then you never should assign any variable name with one keyword. Okay, you cannot define for equal to 10. If you run, you will be getting error. You cannot write if equal to 10 because these are keywords in Python. Okay, then how you can know what are the keywords? So you need to simply write help and then keywords. Okay, if you run, you will be getting a list of keywords which are present in Python, and you should not use this for defining new variable. You should not use this as variable name, right? And next very important property, this is the last one which I want to discuss, that never use any inbuilt function for defining any variable, okay, for initializing any variable, right? Like I can show you one of them. So see, suppose x equal to 10, okay, I am defining one variable. Now this x is acting basically like a pointer, it is indicating to the value 10. Now we want to get that at what memory location this pointer is pointing. For that there is one inbuilt function present in Python, that is id. You write id of x, you will be getting this value where the particular 10 value is stored and this pointer x is pointing to this particular address. Now this is one inbuilt function in Python. Now if you define id equal to 50, okay, you have used inbuilt function to define some variable. Alright, you will be not getting any error. But now what you have done, by mistake you have done overriding of inbuilt function. Now this id will no longer be treated as inbuilt function to compute the memory address where the pointer is pointing. It will simply give 50. Previously I have shown you id of x was giving us the memory address. Now if you run, you will be getting error. Int object is not callable because id is no longer a function, it became one integer value. Okay, so keep these points in your mind while writing any program. Okay, so rules are quite simple. Always variable name should start with either letter or underscore. It cannot start with number. Always try to use capital A to capital Z and small a to small z and 0 to 9 and underscore. Only these things is possible to give in a variable name. Always these variable names are case sensitive, and you should not use keywords or inbuilt functions to define any variable in Python. Okay, this is all for my this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.